What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV Hotels, coming to you from the Westin here along Sukhumvit here. There's Terminal 21. So this is the Westin Grande Sukhumvit Bangkok Hotel. So you'll be greeted by luggage assistance right when you get here, but then you have to go in the elevator to level 7, and that's where you'll check in. Unless you're elite, you'll go straight to 7 and then to 24. So let's go up there. All right, so here on the 7th level, you have the check-in, main check-in. If you're Titanium Elite, you check in on the 24th floor. They do have a tailor here, as well as selling you a bed. I'll have to see how comfortable this bed really is. The bed that I have at my house is not the most comfortable. 8th floor right here, right above. That is the actual pool level with the gym. Go up there next. And here we are at the 8th floor. This is the swimming pool level. Let's go take a look at this swimming pool here. Fitness. It's a bit gloomy here in Bangkok today. What do you guys think of? Got a bar over there. Let's go check out the fitness center. Some towels. Hello. Thank you. Wow, big gym. Wow, this is a full gym here. This might be the best aspect of this place. What do you have over here? The spa. Marine spa. Okay. Very nice. Hello, just looking. Do you have a price sheet? A prices?
This one facial treatments. This one body massage.
Okay. All right, from the ground level, you come out of the elevator here on level 7. You have Seasonal Taste Restaurant and Lounge area. Hello. You can smoke out on the balcony there. Wow. Look at that view. Probably the best location I can think of. This is actually where they serve the breakfast, right here at this restaurant. Here's a look at the room here. desk. And I'm on the 23rd floor here, so you can see Terminal 21 there. Okay. There's the tub. Location, obviously, of this hotel is great. Now, as far as the room quality goes, you can definitely feel that it's older. Still cozy and comfortable in some ways, but older. Definitely older. Breakfast. It's very spicy right there. Very spicy. The executive lounge. All right, now let's talk about the final review that I have here for the Westin Hotel. As you can see, Terminal 21 right here. Very good location right there on Soi 21. You're probably not going to find a better location than this along Sukhumvit. You can maybe find something at the Hyatt Regency, just down the road a bit. Anywhere in between Soi 21 and Soi 11, in my opinion, is the best location along Sukhumvit Road. Now, when it comes to the actual quality of the hotel, I found it to be very old. If you just look at the outside of the building, it does not look like a Westin. They should probably redesign the outside. It just looks not very professional. But when it's buried inside of the Sukhumvit downtown Bangkok area, you can't really see it anyway, so it's out of sight, out of mind. So the only thing that really counts then is going to be the interior. But just as the exterior is old, so is the interior. So I found the bed to be fairly comfortable. The bathroom was old. I wouldn't take a bath in that bath. It was not anything like the other hotels you could stay at across Bangkok. The lounge I found to be, about a 4 out of 5. I wasn't really blown away by it, although it does have a great view. The staff was friendly, but they weren't the most well-trained or even the friendliest. They were friendly, but, they were busy, preoccupied. You ask them a question, they're kind of like, So overall, I would say the Westin is a 4.6 hotel. Sorry. That's lower than what I would usually give to a 5-star kind of hotel like this. But anyway, I'm moving on to the next one. I'm going to the Hilton. I've already done a loft. I've already done Hilton Doubletree. We're going to keep going around here in Bangkok, looking at some of these hotels, trying to find the best ones. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. You can watch our Hilton Doubletree video next, or you can hit our recommended video for the Aloft here in Bangkok.